we're going to use an enzyme called ALA synthase. Okay. So what we're talking about is we're trying to make red blood cells. But first we got to make us some heme so that the heme can hook up with the globin, make hemoglobin, and then we can make a fully functioning red blood cell. So let's go back over that. We started with succinyl-CoA. It hooks up with glycine, and then using something called ALA synthase, they're going to make something called ALA. Good with that part. Now, what's going to happen is there are actually several more steps in this reaction. I think it's about 8 steps overall. I'm going to speed up the process, but eventually we're going to make this ring structure called a porphyrin. So you may have heard of a porphyrin ring. So we're going to make this ring structure because what we're trying to make is heme. So in fact, let me just move this down a little. Let me move this heme down. Okay. Because what we're trying to make is heme. First, we made this ALA. We're going to go through several more steps, and eventually we're going to make this ring structure called porphyrin, right? But before we can actually make heme, we need to add something else to it. So kind of like you're baking a cake, and you got all these little ingredients, right? But you gotta be able to have all the ingredients to make it taste good. Imagine making a cake without some sugar. That would just be horrible.